Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Albert app. In order to do so, here we are at albert.com, and according to their homepage, Albert is the all-in-one money app. You can budget, save, spend, and invest all in one incredibly powerful app, and you can get started by clicking here or by clicking the sign up button. There are over 200,000 five-star app reviews. You can join 10 million plus people on Albert. You have everything in one place. Organize all your accounts, transactions, and spending. You can get cash back on spend, get paid early, make instant transfers. You can save automatically, create your own savings goals, earn monthly cash bonuses. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, and portfolios managed by Albert. And you can guard your identity and financial accounts 24/7. Protect yourself against threats and frauds. Bank, save, and invest seamlessly. Albert is not a bank. Bank services provided by Albert's bank partners. Smart Money. Albert analyzes your income and spending to find small amounts we think you can afford to set aside, and we move your money automatically based on your settings. You can know where your money's going by monitoring your spending and cash flow, tracking your bills, and finding savings. There's smart categorization, automatically categorizing your transactions. You can stay on top of your spending and monthly cash flow, and Albert can detect recurring bills and subscriptions, then help you lower or cancel them. Protect your accounts and guard your identity with financial accounts 24/7. Protect yourself against threats and fraud. You could spot fraud. You can automatically remove your private information online and get up to $1 million of ID theft insurance to cover eligible losses and fees. Ask us anything money related. Get personalized advice from our team of finance experts. You can join over 10 million people on Albert. And in order to get started, just click the sign up button. You also can download Albert on the App Store, or you can get it on Google Play as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.